welcome and welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you a beautiful bathroom makeover. And guys, this makeover, it was from my previous apartment. I recorded the video a couple weeks back, but I didn't have the chance to put it together for you. Today is the day I'm going to share with you how the apartment was before I moved out, and let me know down below what do you think, if that's something you will recreate in your home. Okay guys, my case is different. When I moved out, I didn't do clean and undercoat with me because all the beautiful DIY that I did, the next person that's going to live it love it, and she didn't want me to remove nothing. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the way the bathroom was when I moved into the apartment. And guys, I did couple DIY, the discoloration, and it was extremely basic. So I changed everything, and it's winter friendly. Whatever I did, it was winter friendly. So if you live in an apartment, you can always ask permission to change. And you see the light was dull, the mirror was ugly. So yeah, I didn't like it at all, but you know, I always make everything work. So I work my magic in the bathroom. As you can see how everything was. Okay guys, the first, I did couple DIY, but the first DIY that I did, I just changed, I add contact paper, and I did a DIY in the mirror, as you can see right there, and it was gorgeous guys, beautiful. And this is the very first DIY I did in the bathroom. So I did a couple of them guys, but if you want to see all the changes, I'm going to put the links of the videos in the description box down below. You can check them out to see all the DIY that I did. Today guys, I'm going to take this bathroom to the next level. I'm adding this LED mirror that made with top grade 5mm ultra clear tempered glass. And guys, this is a video collaboration. TIFULLHOME reached over to me and sent me this mirror. This mirror is beautiful and you don't need to buy any extra tools to install it. They even include the lever. When you install the mirror, you don't have to worry about it, your mirror to be crooked or anything. And the mirror is well packed. And like I said, manual instruction. The link will be in the description box down below. If you are looking for a nice mirror, you can check them out. This mirror have front and back light 3 times brighter and cleaner. Front light has show bright and clean reflection, while backlight provides soft ambient glow. High density 192 LED beads, 10 watt power output per meter. And guys, you can change the color. You can choose from 3000K warm light, 4000K natural light, and 6000K white light. And guys, it's super nice to have. If you're on the market for a nice LED mirror, this one can be a good option. Don't forget to check the link down below for the LED mirror if something like that interests you. And guys, you know, I have to add my flowers. It's Christmas, and you know, I'll decorate in my entire home for Christmas: bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, living room, name it. And these picks, I get them last year on clearance at Hobby Lobby, so I'm putting them to use this year. Okay guys, as you can see the way I'm decorating the bathroom. So this one there, I get it from TJ Maxx last year, and the other Christmas decor from TJ Maxx as well. And guys, as you can see, I'm going to show you the before, exactly the way it was when I moved in. And guys, that's exactly the way it is when I moved out. Everything I touch tend to go. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below, what do you think? If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere. Just
As I mentioned, you have three light settings to choose from 3000K warm light, 4000K natural light, and 6000K white light. And guys, this bathroom mirror is very beautiful, and as you can see, I add marble contact paper. And guys, I really love the way the bathroom turns out. So if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a nice comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Sur la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et partager vidéo avec vos amis. Si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi maintenant. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. On les remercie. Je vous en prie, guys. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, et grand merci mes amis pour votre support. Je vous aime. I hope you guys are enjoy watching the video, and if you do, thank you so much for taking your time watching it, and I love you all. I'll see you on my next one. Bye!